Hello, my name is Miss Klein and I am the band director here at the Wrightson School in Exeter Township, PA, Reading. So today we're going to be working on Seven Army Nation, otherwise called Seven Nation Army. I never remember what the title is, but it's a fun song to play and it uses some new notes that we haven't played before. We're going to play just the main theme, and it involves the notes A flat and D flat. So let's go over the notes that we are going to play in this song. Let's take a look at what they look like. The first note we're going to play is F, which is first position. Have a nice, easy grip with our left hand. 2 fingers on the bottom, 2 fingers below. Make sure your slide lock is off. Let's try the F again. From there, we're going to go to third position and play a higher note. And that's called A flat. And we go back to F. So we're going to play F, F, A flat, F. 1, 1, 3, 1. Let's give that a try. And then we go back to third position by E flat lower. So the notes in this song are F, A flat, back to F, E flat, D flat is in fifth position, is a little bit past fourth, and then you stretch your arm out for sixth position for C. Okay? So again, the notes are F, A flat, F. Let's try those 3 notes. And then E flat. D flat. And then C. Alright. If you notice my crazy hair today, it is crazy hair day at school. So Miss Klein's being a little silly. So let's try playing this song. And we're going to go down to just to the E flat. 1, 2, here we go. How did you do? Notice the first note has a dot after it. A dotted half note is 1.5 count. And that is a triplet. Triplets are a group of 3. And in this case, the triplet is over a half note. This is the beat. Da, 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 da. Notice the triplet came over 2 beats. If we just think in half note, da, 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 then there's 1 triplet for a half note. Alright, we're going to try the whole thing. 1, 2, here we go. How did we do? Let's do the last part a little slower. You had D flat, E flat, D, C. And that would be 5, 3, 5, 6. Let's try that again. And a little faster. Let's try that again, a little faster. Ready, and go. Now let's go to the measure before it. The F, F, A flat, F, E flat, and then do our new part. D flat, E flat, D flat, C. So the position for all of that would be 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 6, or letter name, F, F, A flat, F, E flat, D flat, E flat, D flat, C. Give it a try. 1, 2, here we go. So now we're going to try the whole thing one more time. Focus on your fifth position by listening to it. Does it sound right? Fifth position is one of those ambiguous places in between fourth and sixth. It is closer to sixth position than fourth. Okay? Here we go. We're sitting up tall, we're standing. Our grip is nice and firm. Our fingers are loose. And just a reminder, don't bring your head to the slide. Bring the slide and tilt it to your face. 1, 2, here we go. And that was 7 Nation Army. Keep practicing, keep working on those slide positions, and I'll see you on the stage. Bye!